Good day everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to perform the multiple V grafting, or also known as multiple wedge grafting. So multiple citrus grafting is a technique whereby you graft more than one citrus scion on one rootstock. So this is what I'll be performing on this video. I'll be grafting a lemon, Eureka lemon scion, and also a satsuma mandarin scion on one rootstock. So as you can see on the video, these are the scions. I prepared the scions that I will be grafting on the rootstock. So just like I do on my previous grafting videos, these are the grafting tape I will be using for these grafts. And this is the plastic nylon that I will be using to cover my grafts after grafting. And finally, this is my grafting knife. This is the grafting knife I'll be using to perform this graft. So first off, we start by removing all the leaves and thorn from the rootstock. You gently start from the bottom and remove all the leaves and thorns gently, just like I'm doing on the video. So now we get ready to graft our scions on the rootstock. So you perfectly prepare the scions that you're going to graft. So you make a wedge cut, also known as a V cut, that you'll be sliding on this rootstock. Make sure your cuts are perfect and clean. So I will also do that on the second scion. This is the satsuma mandarin scion. I will also make a V cut or a wedge cut. And you can see, make sure that the cut is smooth and perfect. After preparing the scion, now cut off the top of the rootstock, and we will now make an incision, a V cut, where you insert the two scion that we prepared earlier. So make sure you make a fine cut, just like I'm doing on this video. So now you gently slide in the scions inside the cut you made on the rootstock. Make sure that all the cambium layers of the rootstock and the scion are properly aligned, so as to ensure a successful graft union. After successfully inserting and aligning the rootstock with the scion, you can now select your grafted tape, starting from the bottom, and gently start wrapping the graft union gently and tightly so that you can secure the grafts for them to heal properly. After wrapping up the scion, you can now gently tie the end of the grafting tape to secure it properly. So as you can see, we are done with the grafting, and you can see that we have successfully performed the multiple citrus grafting. So now the next thing is to cover the scion that I have grafted with the plastic nylon to prevent um, moisture evaporation and allow the scions to heal. So now is now 3 weeks after our successful graft, and you can see the lemon scion have started sprouting new shoots. Although the other scion is haven't started growing, it's still dormant. But the lemon scion, you can see, have started producing new shoots and it's growing. And now this is after another 2 weeks of growing. The lemon have grown to this stage, but now we need to cut off the tip of the lemon shoot. This is to allow the other scion to break dormancy and also start sprouting to grow also. Now with my grafting knife, I will now select part of the branch, and I will cut the tip off, starting from this. This is to force the other scion to start growing. As you can see, this is the bud from the other scion, and our aim is to make it to start growing. So now this is complete 2 months after our successful graft, and you can see both scions have successfully produced new shoots and the leaves have hardened. And now it's time for us to remove our grafting tape. So with our grafting knife, we now open up the tape and gently start unwrapping the grafting tape from the successful graft union. So you can see how successful our graft is, and you can see that the rootstock and the scion are successfully healed and fused in together. This is how perfect it's looking, and everything is well grafted. So now this is how to perform a multiple citrus grafting using the wedge technique of grafting technique. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on our channel.